All right, so here we have a variable divided by a variable, so we are going to need the quotient rule. And so for our quotient rule, remember we have our top function, which in this case is 8e to the x plus 5, and then our bottom function, which is negative 2x to the 9th plus 7x to the 5th. Then we're going to differentiate. So the 8, the e to the x will just be e to the x, and then the plus 5 will go to 0. Over here, bring down the 9, get negative 18x to the 8th, and then 5 times 7 to get 35x to the 4th. Now, for our quotient rule, remember we must begin with the bottom function, and then we do our little crisscross with subtraction of those diagonals, and then we put that all over the bottom squared. So that's what we're going to be doing here with our quotient rule. So our quotient rule is going to look like, always putting parentheses here, our beginning function, the bottom function, negative 2x to the 9th plus 7x to the 5th times 8e to the x, and then minus this diagonal, which would be 8e to the x plus 5 times the negative 18x to the 8th plus 35x to the 4th. And then that is all over the bottom function being the negative 2x to the 9th plus 7x to the 5th squared. Now, it says that we don't need to simplify and expand it. If we were to expand it, we would need to like distribute this 8e to the x, and then we would also need to FOIL out. But for this question, it specifically says that we do not need to do that.